In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no internet connection or no network available issue in CapCut Desktop. In the Windows search bar, type VPN. Click on VPN settings and select Add a VPN. For the connection name, type anything, for example, Test VPN. Next, open your browser and search for VPN Gate. Click the first result and scroll down the page to see a list of host names from different countries. Copy any host name you like and paste it into the server name field. For the VPN type, select SSTP and leave the sign-in info as default. Go back to the VPN Gate page for the credentials. The username is VPN and the password is also VPN. Enter them and click Save. Now, connect to the VPN you just created by clicking Connect. Once connected, restart CapCut Desktop, and it should start working without any network errors. That's it. Your no network available or no internet connection issue is fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.